Hook, have you ever wondered how to send Bitcoin on Kraken? It might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Building context, Bitcoin, as you know, is a decentralized digital currency. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform where you can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Sending Bitcoin on Kraken is a common operation, whether you're transferring funds to another wallet or simply cashing out. Step 1. Logging into your Kraken account. The first step is to log into your Kraken account. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account. Once logged in, navigate to your funding section. Step 2. Selecting Bitcoin. In the funding section, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Click on Bitcoin to view your Bitcoin balance and options. Step 3. Choosing Withdraw. Look for the Withdraw button or option. Clicking on this will initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Entering the withdrawal address. You'll be prompted to enter the Bitcoin address where you want to send your funds. Double-check the address to avoid errors. Step 5. Specifying the amount. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal requirements. Step 6. Providing verification. Kraken may require additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, or email confirmation, to ensure the security of your transaction. Step 7. Confirming the withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal, including the address, amount, and any fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the withdrawal. Step 8. Waiting for confirmation. After confirming the withdrawal, your transaction will be processed. It may take some time for the Bitcoin to reach the specified address, depending on the network's congestion. Additional tips. Security first, always prioritize security. Enable 2FA and use strong, unique passwords. Double-check addresses, verify the Bitcoin address before sending funds to avoid irreversible losses. Network fees, be aware of network fees associated with Bitcoin transactions. These fees can vary depending on network congestion. Kraken support, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Kraken's support team. Conclusion. Sending Bitcoin on Kraken is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following these guidelines, you can confidently transfer your Bitcoin to any desired address. Call to action. Have you ever sent Bitcoin on Kraken? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.